At CSUSA, we understand that our work of helping you to become a student athlete is not just about those 4 amazing college years. The journey doesn't end there. It continues. Our job is so much more than just finding the ideal university. CSUSA is our engine, the starting point, where a long and thriving relationship between us and our students begins.
Take your mark.
This is the foundation for what is to come. We are not just American college sports recruiters, but the creator of pathways. We've partnered with the right people, institutions, and companies, all with the goal of assisting our students in their next steps. Through our Pursue group and brand, we can give students a pathway to the next stage of their development. If you're good enough to play pro after college, Pursue Pro can represent you and further your career as an athlete. You need to have the talent and the skills, but just like you need an expert to find the best school and team, you need someone with the network to market your athletic ability in the pro world. So many of our students seek further education after completing their bachelor's degree. Pursue Education can help you find the right master's program in the US or many other exciting countries. Through our educational partnerships and network, this is all accessible. Ultimately, everybody wants to find their dream job, and that is often why we go to school. Through Pursue Career, we are partnering with key recruiters, setting up exciting programs earmarked for our graduates. Great businesses want great minds with the right characteristics and mentality. Our student athletes are in demand. And maybe one day we can go into business together when you start your own company with the help of Pursue Capital, investing and advising in your project. Starting your journey with us is so much more than helping you to college. At Pursue, we help student athletes become successful professionals. We help driven people pursue ambition.